Well, hello, friends. Mark Holmes here with my buddy Cowboy Joe Boo. And as always, thank you guys for watching, commenting, and subscribing to the Joe Boo Sports Report. Without you guys, man, this literally does not work. Let's get open for business. Oh, looks like we're already open for business here. Sorry, I've actually been on the road. Did about 290 some miles of driving today, a couple of videos and things. And of course, it's late in the evening, so we're getting this stuff together. But we are only some 200 days, 24 minutes, and 30 seconds away from kickoff of the 2018 season. And guys, God, you got to feel great right now. We're almost under 200 days. Okay, all right. Before I get to the topic here, I actually want to go back and ask a question here because I talked about my quarterback, Dak Prescott, my leader, and gave the statistics of before Amari Cooper projected out the course of the season versus once Amari Cooper came out, what that would have been projected as a full season, just so we could see where is Dak Prescott at this point. And Zachariah Smith posed a great question because Dak is so polarizing. No matter what happens, you've got some people out there that will literally just say it's garbage. It doesn't matter what happens. We can win and they'll still say it's garbage and stuff. And he actually posed a great question that I absolutely sorry, let me just do something here real quick on the computer. He basically said, just a question to people who don't like Dak. Do you want to see him succeed or fail? If you want him to fail, there are 30 other teams to pick one. I've been a Boys fan for 40 plus years and never hoped for a Cowboys quarterback to fail. Ask yourself this question. Are you really a fan? Dak has 2 division championships, and that makes me wonder about you haters. So I do pose that same question. Are you hoping that he'll succeed or fail? Because it seems like some of you guys actually take joy in putting him down, and when we lose. So to me, if you're a Cowboys fan, it's about that star and the Cowboys winning. And over the course of the last 3 years, we're second in the NFL in wins. I know we're just beginning to have playoff success. You know, we're 1 out of the last 3 games, but we at least got 1 of those this past year. So that's where we are with that. I'd from you guys who hate Dak so much, do you want to see him or do you want to see him fail? But here's the other part of our conversation here. There were rumors out earlier this week about Adam Silver, who is the commissioner of the NBA, that apparently, he was asked, is any interest in coming to the NFL? Because there were rumors out that some NFL owners have been talking to him about becoming commissioner. Now, we know right now Roger Goodell has a contract through negotiations of the next CBA. And after that, of course, then he's planning on retiring with his own, NFL-provided jet, a big pile of money, and so on. So we know that Jerry Jones last year was pushing on slowing down getting Roger Goodell a new contract, and was pushing the idea of Bill Polian being the NFL commissioner. I think that's when a lot of the other NFL owners kind of pumped the brakes on that whole idea and was thinking that Bill Polian would be basically Jerry's puppet, you know what I mean? And so that's where all that kind of got thrown out. But now, apparently, a couple of owners have been in contact with Adam Silver about coming to the NFL. And so you have to ask yourself, I wonder if Jerry Jones was one of those guys. And more than likely, he probably was. And you have to wonder if there's still, even though we've had the kumbaya moment, even though we had the case where Jerry Jones paid that fine and stuff, if he isn't still a little bit miffed about the whole situation. I don't know. But it's going to be interesting to see if this goes anywhere else. But I don't think Adam Silver is interested in leaving the NBA. right now the NBA is going like this and he is on a great ride, why leave that for the NFL and what's going on throughout that? I don't think he does. But as always, guys, I want to thank you all for watching, commenting, and subscribing to the Joe Boo Sports Report. We will see you guys soon.